Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Happy New Year to you and your family, and I hope you have a blessed year. So today I'm back with a new video and I'm showing you how I do my eyebrow routine. So yeah, so if you'd like to see more, please carry on watching, and also let me know what you think down below. I hope that this video will be useful to you. So yeah, let's get into it. So one of the first things I do when doing my eyebrows is I brush my eyebrow hairs upwards and follow the direction of my eyebrows growing. My skin is not the best right now, it's okay. When it's all gone, I'm gonna have a skincare routine for you. I then go in with my Kiko Milano pressed powder to set it in place, So it's just a flat brush and I go in with my powder and I just set it like that. One thing that I'd recommend is that when you're creaming your face, try not to get that much product onto your eyebrows, because it's like the product will slide off your eyebrows and you really don't want that. So yeah, so that's what I would advise. Another thing, whenever my eyebrows have outgrown, I use an eyebrow shaper. I just use the eyebrow shaper on like the middle areas, and you want to do it in a downward motion. This is only when like your eyebrows need that quick top up basically. So you just want to do it in the down motion, and when you're doing the sides, you'd want to go upwards and then just clean up whatever you need to. However, the thing that I would recommend is to use tweezers on the soft hair, like the soft part of your eyebrow, whenever there's hair there that you just need to, you know, pluck out. I'd rather use tweezers to pluck out the hairs on the soft side of your brows than the eyebrow shaper, because the eyebrow shaper only takes out what is on the surface. However, the tweezers will pull the hair from the roots, so I think it would be better to tweezers to clean the side of your brows. So yeah, that's a quick tip. Let's get back into it. So I've just set my eyebrows with my Kiko Milano pressed powder. The next thing that I do is I go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. So that's like the most that I do with the pencil on the bottom part. So I'm just going to fill in just a bit to make it look natural, more, you know, like strokes. Strokes of hair. And I just follow my eyebrow shape. So that's what I do with my eyebrow as far as the pencil. Now going with my L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit, which I've had for a long time. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And I go in with an angled brush. I firstly go in with the wax. And then I follow it up with the powder, lightly. Go in with my spoolie. I just brush there. The thing that I do is I go with my concealer I use. Go in with the brush at times and just carve out my brows however I want to. Here. And I just put it near it just so that I can sort out the shape how I want to. I'm going to go with my brush and just carve everything out. I'm then going to drag the concealer downwards. What I do is I go in with my beauty blender, like so, and I just blend it all out. Go with my BH Cosmetics 130 brush. Go directly underneath the brows so I can get as close to the concealer as possible, so that it's not like a harsh line where I've concealed. What I do is I conceal the top of my brows. I'm just going to add some concealer onto my hand and just carve out my brows. I blend out the top. So I'm then going to brush my eyebrows again with this brush and blend out any excess concealer. And I'm going to blend everything out. So once that's done, I'm going to set my eyebrows with my Kiko Milano pressed powder and the brush, like so. And I'm also going to set my eyelid. So yes, I'll be back when I finish my look and done the other eyebrow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.